Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this simple step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to create a text fade effect in Microsoft Word. This effect makes your text gradually fade from one color to another or from solid to transparent, giving your document a modern and professional design style. The text fade effect is commonly used in presentations, posters, thumbnails, certificates and graphic style documents. Instead of plain text, these techniques help your text look stylish and visually attractive. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now you want to add the make title of this assignment as a fade effect. Now I am write my title. You can write anything. Now I am write backspace. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, go to the insert menu, select this WordArt option. Now I am select the WordArt. Then go to the format menu, then click the shape effect and go to the 3D rotation, otherwise here the text effect and here transform. Now I find and select the fade effect. Here we can see here many effect. You can find and select the fade effect. Here the fade right or the fade left and the fade top or up and the fade down. Now I am select the fade right. You can see here we make the text fade right. You can change the fading option, otherwise you can change the color. Go to the shape fill option and change the color of the shape to this option. Now we can see we make the text fade effect very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.